Hi, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In today's video, we will discuss about the perimeter and area of a rectangle. By the end of this video, you'll be able to solve numerous examples and problems and obtain the solutions of areas and perimeter of rectangle. And don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Now, a rectangle is a plane figure having 4 sides, and each angle is equal to 90 degrees. So figure 1 is a rectangle, and a rectangle has 4 sides. So let's name the vertices of the rectangle. So A, B, C, and D. Now from figure 1, we have side AB, which is represented as the length, and we have side BC, which is the breadth. And side AB is equal to side DC, and side BC is equal to side AD. So opposite side of a rectangle are equal. So therefore, the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, the perimeter is the sum of all the lengths that bounds the rectangle. So we have the lengths are length AB plus length BC plus length CD and plus length AD. So from our figure, AB is length and BC is breadth. Also, DC is length and AD is breadth. So therefore, we can now represent the equation as AB is L plus BC is B plus CD is length plus and AD is breadth. So mathematically, this can be expressed as 2L plus 2B, which can also be expressed as 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So this is the perimeter of a rectangle. Also, to obtain the area of a rectangle, we know that area of a rectangle is equal to length times the breadth. So therefore, our length is represented by L and our breadth is represented by B. So this is the area of a rectangle. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 multiplied by L plus B, and the area is length times breadth. Let's solve questions to strengthen our understanding. So the first question says, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 8 cm and breadth is 12 cm. So we are asked to find the perimeter of a rectangle P, which we don't know, and we are given that the length is equal to 8 cm and the breadth is equal to 12 cm. Now recall that perimeter P is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus the breadth. And this now can be expressed as 2 multiply, our length is 8 plus the breadth is 12. So this becomes 2, open bracket, 8 plus 12 is 20. So 2 times 20 is equal to 40. So therefore, perimeter is equal to 40 cm. Now, the second question says, find the area of a rectangle whose length is 20 cm and breadth is 50 cm. So we are asked to find the area which we are looking for, and the length given to us is 20 cm and the breadth given to us is 50 cm. Recall that area is equal to length times breadth, and at this point our length is given as 20 cm times, and our breadth is given as 50 cm. So this can be given as 20 times 50 is 1000. So the area of the rectangle is given as 1000 cm squared. Now let's take up the next question. So the third question says, one side of a rectangle is 8 cm and the diagonal is 10 cm. What is the area of the rectangle? So solution. Now for us to be able to solve this problem, we have to represent this question in a diagram. So here is a diagram. So we have a rectangle that has vertex A, B, C, and D. And from the question, we are given that one side of a rectangle is 8 cm. So let's assume that the side is the breadth, and they said the diagonal is 10 cm. So here is the diagonal, 10 cm. And then they said we should obtain the area of the rectangle. Recall that area is equal to length times breadth, and we have obtained breadth B to be 8 cm, but we need the length. So to obtain the length, which is side DC, we use the Pythagoras theorem. So from Pythagoras theorem, we have that BD all squared will be equal to DC all squared plus BC all squared. So BD being a diagonal is given as 10, which is 10 squared, equal to DC is the unknown, which is the length we want to obtain to find the area of the rectangle, plus, and BC is given as 8, which is 8 squared. So 20 squared simplified is 100, equal to S squared plus 64. So we have that 100 minus 64 is equal to L squared. So S squared is equal to 36, and L is equal to root of 36. 36 is a perfect square, so root of 36 is equal to 6. So this is given as 6 cm. So recall that area is equal to length times breadth. So therefore, at this point, we are given the length to be 6 cm and the breadth is 8 cm. So therefore, 8 times 6 is given as 48 cm squared. So the area of the rectangle is 48 cm squared. So we have that if the perimeter is 36 cm, find the area of the rectangle below. So we are given this shape, and we have already been given that the perimeter of this shape is 36 cm. So perimeter P is equal to 36 cm. So the same should obtain the area of the shape. Now, recall that P is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. And this is equal to 2. Recall that our length is 2x plus 5. So we have 2x plus 5 enclosed in a bracket, plus our breadth is x plus 1, also enclosed in a bracket. So at this point, we can expand. So we have that this becomes 2 multiplied by 2x plus 5 plus x plus 1. So this is equal to 2. 2x plus x is 3x. 5 plus 1 is 6. And recall that our perimeter is given as 36. Now we'll use this tool and open up the bracket. So we have that 36 is equal to 2 times 3x is 6x plus 2 times 6 is 12. So this can be expressed as 6x equal to 36 minus 12. So this becomes 6x equal to 36 minus 12 is equal to 24. Now, to make s the subject, we divide both sides by the coefficient of s, which is 6. So 6 can divide itself, we obtain s. Also, 6 divided itself is 1. 24 divided by 6 is 4. So s is equal to 4. Thus, length is equal to 2s plus 5, and this becomes 2 multiplied by 4 plus 5 equal to 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13 cm. Also, our breadth is equal to x plus 1, which is equal to 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5 cm. So therefore, area is equal to length times breadth, which is equal to 13 cm times 5 cm. So area is equal to 65 cm squared. Thank you for watching, and if you know you have found value in the video, please subscribe and like the video. And don't forget, mathematics is a journey. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep improving. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.